Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a smoked queso dip on the Karma 32 from Wppo. The first thing that we're gonna do is light up the pizza oven, and we don't have to create a big fire because we only want to keep the temperature to around 350 degrees inside the pizza oven. So let's get started on that. Make a small little pile with pecan chunks, insert a fire starter and light it on fire. When you have a good fire going, add a couple of small sticks of pecan wood and then move the fire to the back of the oven. So we now have a good fire going in the Karma 32, so it's time to get to cooking, and you want to use one of these big, good size, heavy cast iron pans for this dish. We're going to start with browning the pork chorizo. So take about a pound of pork chorizo, throw it in the cast iron pan, and put the cast iron pan in the pizza oven. Then we're going to cook this until the pork chorizo is cooked all the way through. While you're browning the chorizo, you want to remove it from the pizza oven a couple of times and stir, and then put it back. When it's done, remove it from the pizza oven and drain some of the fat off. Now it's ready for the next ingredients. The pork chorizo is cooked through and we've removed the fat. So now it's time to add all those other good ingredients. So this is what we're gonna do. Start by adding 2 cans of Rotel, and I use Chipotle because it adds smokiness and it adds a good heat level to it. Then you wanna add 16 ounces of cubed smoked Gouda cheese. Next, we will have a 2-pound block of Velveeta cheese, also cubed. We're gonna add 1 small can of mushroom soup. And last but not least, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. All the ingredients are now in the cast iron pan, so it's time to bake it in the pizza oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Every 7 to 8 minutes or so, you want to remove the cast iron pan from the pizza oven, stir it thoroughly, and then place it back in again. So the smoked queso dip has been in the pizza oven now for about 30 minutes. So before we take it out one final time and stir it, it's time to chop some cilantros. You want to finely chop about half a cup of fresh cilantro and then mix this in with the cheese dip. Put it back in the pizza oven one last time. And that is how I make my smoked queso on the Karma 32 from Wppo. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It's got good cheesiness. Smells amazing. It's warm. Good heat from the Rotel Chipotle and the Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. A ton of creaminess and the cheese is awesome. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.